Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you one of the problem related with one Ethernet cables uh, RG34 I think is the connection. This is the type of the cables. They are well known and massively used from uh, all over the world. It is very standard one Ethernet cable, and here is one of the manual related with this cable plugs and wire connection. We on this scheme we have two different type of wiring for the one T568B and T568A. Most commonly used, I think it is this one, and there is some other information also related with testers for network cabling. And in today's video I'm going to present and show you how to test cables with this tester device. Also, this is the manual. If anybody have and want information, he may use this video just for simple guidance. Okay, this is the guide. Now first we'll test this cable. This cable is validated from me and the cable is working perfectly, but I want to show you how to test the cable. Let's first connect cable to the device. Okay, I connected two ends of the cables, and now we're gonna turn the device. And if you see, this cable, each wire is tested and the green light should validate each wire. And there is a one problem with this cable. This is the ground. The ground is not turned into the green. For this kind of cable type, this is I think cat 5. The grounding is not a problem. Also the cable is very short. It is not a problem. But for if you have, for example, cat 7, cat 8 and the cable is very long, then definitely the cable must be grounded. Now let's test another cable which have a problem. Okay guys, this is the faulty cable which I save in only to test and diagnose this kind of devices. And now I'm going to turn device. The cable is connected, and let's see what will happening. Did you see the green validation? After the sixth wire it stopped, because at the seventh wire we have a problem. This means that seven wire, the green light failed, and also the grounding is failed. Ground wire, by the way, is optional. It is not necessary. Like I said before, it is only related to highest category and the long distance. Due to this kind of hertz, and but this is also short cable, but as you see, there is a problem on the wire 7. And that's all from this video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also if you want to see more videos related with internet, just comment here below this video. Okay guys, bye and have a nice day.